these are the glasses. You can see them. I think they are very, very big. So guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you. So I've been trying to I was purchasing my smart glasses from AliExpress. So this is my first time purchasing this kind using the AliExpress. I've never tried. So this is my package. It has already arrived. You can see it has already arrived. So this is the package. You can see it's PDF from the AliExpress to Kenya. So let's try, let's open it. So here's the package. Let's continue opening it. I just want to see what it's in there. Don't know if it has reached safe or it has some problems. So let me see. So these are the glasses. You can see smart smart audio glasses. The color changes rapidly under ultraviolet light. Color change plus UV protection. Low ultraviolet rays. I think they are not yet broken. So let's try to open them. I'm so surprised. I wasn't expecting them to reach so fast. It only took like I'd say it's almost it was a week. Or how do I open these glasses? It's a hollow. It doesn't have anything. So these are the glasses. So first of all, so these are the glasses here. Then this is its casing. This is where it was placed. You can see. And these are the lens. These are the lens cleaner. And this is the charger. This is the user manual. So let me see how it says. Operating instruction: roll camera in shutdown mode. Press the right leg area for 3 seconds. Prompt bar power button. 2. Turn it off. Plug in the charger to shut down automatically or in the boot set. Then press the right mirror leg. Touch area 5 seconds. Prompt power off. Play and pause. In standby state, double click the multifunction area. Can play directly or pause the play. For switch songs. Play music when the multifunction area. So these are is the manual. So let me see the glasses. So here are the glasses. Oh, they are so big. Don't think they are. Don't think they are that. So I'm not. I thought they will be at least smaller, but these ones are. I think they are very big. Very, very big. For me, I don't think they are. I can see. I think they're very big. These glasses are very, very, very big, very big. So I'll give you. I will update you guys. They have the speakers here. The speakers. You can see this is the charging port. This is where you can charge them with. It's